If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you're going to need to use something called a crypto exchange. And while many of these crypto exchanges are open to people within the US, there are many crypto investors outside of the US that also want to get exposure to many different cryptocurrencies. So in this video, we're going to be going over the top 6 crypto exchanges that you can use if you are not based in the United States. Now, each of these cryptocurrency exchanges are going to have different pros and cons and different features that you can compare. So it's really going to be a matter of you figuring out which features matter to you and then picking the exchange that best aligns with those features. So without further ado, let's dive right on into it. And before we do, keep in mind that we'll have links to all of the brokers mentioned in the description and pinned comment of this video for your reference. Some of these links may also help out the channel, so if you want to support us in the process, feel free to use those links. Now, let's start by talking about what to actually look for with a cryptocurrency exchange. There are 9 criteria that we use to evaluate different cryptocurrency exchanges, and these are those criteria. The first of which is the minimum initial investment. So to get started on some of these exchanges, you're going to need to have a minimum investment, so that is something to keep in mind. The next factor is the number of different cryptocurrencies offered. So some platforms are going to allow you to buy and sell more cryptocurrencies, some are going to restrict you to a smaller list of cryptos. The third criteria is the other investments offered on the exchange. So while many of these crypto exchanges are exclusive to cryptocurrencies, some may also allow you to buy and sell different asset classes as well. The next criteria are the stablecoins offered by the platform. So stablecoins are a little bit different than traditional cryptocurrencies in that their value is pegged to the value of a fiat currency. So most of these are going to be pegged to the value of the US dollar, and different crypto exchanges are going to offer different stablecoins. The next criteria is debit card access. So some of these cryptos will actually provide you with a debit card where you can transact with your cryptocurrencies. That's a factor to keep in mind. Next, we've got a digital wallet. So with all these exchanges, there's going to be a digital wallet that you are going to have. The security of that is very important, so that's a factor to keep in mind. Next, we've got fees, which are very important as well. And the last two are the mobile access and the customer support offered by the particular crypto exchange. Now that we've got those factors out of the way, let's dive into our top 6 crypto exchanges for foreigners. Number 1 on the list is going to be Gemini. Now, Gemini is a very well-known crypto exchange because they are actually regulated by the state of New York. This is a very unique feature, as most cryptocurrency exchanges are not regulated by any oversight body. Now, because Gemini is regulated, there are a number of different requirements that they have to keep up with to keep themselves in good standing with the state of New York. These include capital reserve requirements and cybersecurity requirements that help keep you as the investor safe and protected. Additionally, they do offer insurance coverage on many of the assets held within their platform as well, which adds another layer of security to your crypto investments. Gemini is also very well known for their stablecoin GUSD. This is actually one of the most popular stablecoins in the world and is offered on a number of different exchanges. On top of that, there is the Gemini Earn feature where they allow you to earn compound interest on the cryptocurrency that you hold within your Gemini account. This ranges anywhere from about 1.26% to 7.4% as of the time of recording. The actual percentage will depend on the cryptocurrency that you hold and how much of it you actually hold within your Gemini account. Gemini offers 40 different cryptocurrencies and supports over 50 different countries, so they're a very good platform for you if you are a foreigner looking to get started in crypto. Now, crypto exchange number 2 on the list is going to be Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most well-known crypto exchanges out there. They recently went public on the US stock market, and they're going to be best for investors that are looking to actually spend their cryptocurrency. This is because they have a crypto debit card, which you can use at a number of different stores in order to spend your cryptocurrency. The platform is also available to over 100 different countries all across the globe. Now, beyond the 69 different cryptos offered on the Gemini platform, you can also invest in NFTs through the platform as well, which is something that's very attractive to a lot of crypto investors. Also, similar to Gemini Earn, you're able to earn compound interest on the crypto you hold within your Coinbase account if you choose to do so. Now, the main drawback to Coinbase is going to be their higher than average fees. Unless you're a seriously high volume trader, you're going to be paying some significant fees on the Coinbase platform, but those fees really do account for the convenience factor that Coinbase does offer. So you're just gonna have to weigh the pros and cons there and figure out if that makes sense for your situation. Now, third on the list is BlockFi, and BlockFi might not be a name that you have heard before, but it is one of the most popular up and coming crypto platforms. Now, while they're not technically a cryptocurrency exchange, they do allow you to buy and sell cryptos, but what they're most well known for is your ability to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. So, similar to the Gemini Earn program and the program with Coinbase that allows you to earn interest on your crypto, that is kind of the core feature of BlockFi. You're able to deposit your crypto into an interest account where you're paid out compound interest every single month. Now, as of the time of recording this video, you can earn up to 7.6% APY on BlockFi, which when compared to savings account interest rates is significantly higher than anything you'll find elsewhere. Now, in addition to being able to earn interest on your crypto balance, you can also borrow against it using something called a crypto-backed loan. This essentially means if you hold $20,000 of Bitcoin on the BlockFi platform, you could take out a $10,000 loan to use for a down payment on a house, or buy a car, or use for whatever you want, and secure that loan with the Bitcoin you're holding with BlockFi. This is going to allow you to pay a lower interest rate potentially than you would get from a traditional personal loan, and you can get approval on these loans within the same day without a credit check or any kind of paperwork. On top of that, they also recently launched a crypto rewards credit card, which you can use to earn even more crypto. Now, the main drawback with BlockFi is that it's not technically a cryptocurrency exchange, and there aren't that many cryptos offered on the platform. At the moment, there are less than 10 cryptos listed on BlockFi, so if you're looking for a large variety of cryptocurrencies, it's probably not going to be the best place for you to go. But that brings us to number 4, which is going to be one of the best places to go if you're looking for a wide variety of cryptos to invest in. And this is going to be Binance. Now, Binance is not actually available within the US, but it is available outside of the US. There is a US-based version called Binance.us, which US citizens can use. But if you're investing from abroad, you can use the Binance.com version. That's going to give you more features and functionality. Now, Binance is very attractive because of the large number of cryptos they offer, as well as the lower fees when compared to platforms like Coinbase. Now, on top of that, Binance also offers a Visa debit card that allows you to earn up to 8% on your purchases. Now, one of the main drawbacks to Binance is that it could be a little bit complicated for you if you're just a beginner crypto investor and you don't entirely know what you're doing and don't have a ton of experience with a more advanced exchange. This brings us to option number 5, which is one of the most simple crypto exchanges out there. It's also one of the newer crypto exchanges, and it's called Crypto.com. Now, Crypto.com also has a very wide selection of cryptocurrencies. At the time of recording, they have over 100 different cryptos supported on their exchange, and they currently have over 10 million users spread out across 90 different countries. The company also provides $360 million in insurance to cover your digital assets. On top of the exchange, they also do offer a crypto Visa debit card. This card is fairly interesting because the percentage you earn on your purchases actually depends on the balance of crypto that you have within your Crypto.com account. So the more crypto you have, the higher the percentage you're going to be earning every time you swipe that card. Now, the main drawback to Crypto.com is going to be how new they are. They haven't had as much time to prove themselves as a platform like Binance has, but they are growing very quickly. They have over 10 million users and have shown significant traction so far. Now, the last platform on the list is Kraken. And Kraken is going to be the best exchange for investors that want access to 24/7 customer support. Most of the exchanges we mentioned so far only offer email support, so there is going to be a delay for any inquiries you want to submit. Kraken, on the other hand, has 24/7 live chat support, which you can use to get hold of someone instantly and get any issues resolved right away. Now, the platform currently supports over 170 different countries across the world, making them one of the most accessible platforms on the list. They also offer over 50 different cryptocurrencies to invest in. Now, another thing that sets Kraken apart from the crowd is your ability to invest with leverage on the Kraken platform. Currently, you can invest with up to 5x leverage on the Kraken platform, which means that if you have $1,000 sitting on the platform, you can actually purchase up to $5,000 in cryptocurrency. Now, keep in mind that investing on leverage is significantly more risky than investing without leverage. As you are borrowing money, you'll owe interest on those borrowed funds, and if your investment goes down in value, you can be issued a margin call and be forced to sell your position at a loss. Now, at the same time, Kraken actually lacks many of the features that other cryptocurrency exchanges have, like a debit card or credit card, as well as their own stablecoin. Now, you are able to buy and sell different stable coins on the Kraken platform, but they don't issue their own, and you can't have any kind of card to directly spend your crypto from Kraken. Now, to wrap things up, what it really comes down to is finding the crypto exchange that best meets your needs. If you're investing outside of the US, you have a number of different options, but you really have to think about what features make the most sense for you and which exchange is going to allow you to access all of those features. Now, again, we've got links to all of them in the description and pinned comment below for you to check out and potentially support the channel as well. Now, if you want a full written breakdown of all these different platforms, we have that over on our website, investingsimple.com. The easiest way to find that is to head on over to Google, search for top crypto platforms for foreigners, and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.